Creating tutorials, product demonstrations, and online content becomes easier when you can capture your screen clearly. Today, I'll create a tutorial on how to use Canva and record the entire demonstration with AceThinker free online screen recorder. So without any further ado, let's start recording. For this demonstration, we'll use Canva to edit a presentation project. So let's visit the Canva website and choose the project we will edit. We'll update content, make design improvements, add visual elements, and preview the finished presentation while recording the entire process. Next, set up your recording inputs. To start, click the screen option so it can capture your screen activities. Turn on your microphone so you can explain your steps while recording. If your tutorial includes application sounds or audio demonstrations, enable system sound as well. Once everything is ready, click the Start Recording button. Select the Browser tab, application window, or screen area you want to share, then confirm your selection by clicking the Share button to begin recording. Now the online screen recorder is capturing your screen. It's time to create your tutorial. You can start explaining your workflow. You can move your cursor naturally, navigate to the interface, or click tools you want to use. Then, explain each action clearly as you go. After finishing your demonstration, click the Stop Sharing button and end the screen sharing session. Your recorded video will then be prepared for preview. Before downloading, review your recording to make sure everything looks and sounds clear.
So hi guys, welcome again to my channel. So for this session or workflow, we're going to include some images for the recent project that we have started. So we're going to use the features of Canva, which is the element. So we're just going to search for the element.
When you're satisfied with the result, click Download to save your recording. Your video can now be used for YouTube tutorials, online courses, product guides, training materials, or social media educational content.
So hi guys, welcome again to my channel. So for this session or workflow, we're going to include some images for the recent project that we have started. So we're going to use the features of Canva, which is the elements. So for this product presentation, you can just search for foam wash bottles to explore different design options. Then you will see that the search will display variety of images that you can browse through. And then simply scroll through the results and select the bottle design that.
And that's how you can record daily content using the online screen recorder. With the right setup, you can create videos that are easy for your audience to watch and understand.